Alright, what's going on, guys? Shane here, HomeBizNetworks.com. I know it's been a little bit since I shot a video for you guys, but today I got some inspiration and some new tricks for y'all to make some money online. Alright, in this video series, this is video 1 of maybe like a 3 or 4 part video series where I'm going to show you guys how to make money with Fiverr. Okay, so I've been making money with Fiverr, building websites, doing copywriting, and building landing pages for clients for a couple years now. You know, that year of the flu, we shall say, for YouTube was a little tight with customers, but you know, things are picking back up again. And today I am going to show you what are we going to break down today? Today I'm going to talk to you about the basics of Fiverr and what makes your profile look professional. Okay, again, this is going to be like a 3 or 4 part video series. This is video 1 where I'm just going to give you a broad overview on tips on how to make your first $100 with Fiverr. So we're going to jump into my computer here and show you guys some stuff. All right, bye. Alright, what's going on, guys? We are in my computer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your first $100 as a Fiverr seller. Alright, in this video I'm going to show you I'm just going to go over the most key features of what you need to get started selling on Fiverr. Alright, so this is my profile right here. Now, if you notice, the most important thing on Fiverr is having a clean, professional profile photo. Okay, that's the first thing you need to do. Okay, that's the first key thing you need if you are trying to make your first $100 on Fiverr. Okay, now you also want a professional look. Okay, now in the next video I'll go into create your profile. Okay, another thing you're going to need to do set up is your description. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set this all up, right? In this video, I'm just going to kind of give you a broad overview of what Fiverr is. All right, down here, your skills, okay, and your education, all right? This is your profile over here to the left. This is my profile, okay? Up here, we have some tags, okay? Now, these are currently my gigs. Now, the next thing you're going to notice, okay, the second most important thing you want to have set up if you're trying to make your first $100 on Fiverr is you need to have at least 3 gigs, okay? So the first aspect of Fiverr is having a professional, clean profile with a beautiful photo of yourself looking very professional. Voila, right here, okay? The next thing you need to do is have 3 gigs set up, okay? You must start with 3 gigs, okay? That's the second thing. And on the third thing is your actual gig. So we're going to click over here. Now, in order to be successful on Fiverr, the third thing is you need professional gigs, okay? Now, if you notice here, I have a beautiful face of myself, okay? Clean, all right? A sample of my work, okay? And then another photo, clean here. On Fiverr, it's all about building trust, and being able to show photos of yourself inside of this is key, okay? Another aspect key is having this content about the gig, okay, set up correctly. All right, now I'm going to show you another video. Like I said, this is video 1 of a series of videos where I'm going to break all this stuff down for you. In this video, I'm just going to kind of go over my stuff, okay? So this is really tight, clean, and professional. All right. Another aspect of this is setting up 3 different price points. Again, I'm going to go over another video on how all this works and how to set this up. Okay. So we talked about having a clean, professional profile. We talked about having 3 gigs. Okay, and we talked about having a clean gig, your gig set up correctly. Okay, another aspect of being successful on Fiverr is knowing your competition. So I'm a level 1 seller. I compete against other level 1 sellers. That means I've done X amount of sales on Fiverr. I've completed a handful of projects, and I've made some money on this platform. All right, and that got to a level 1. And how I go about doing this is I will show you real quick. So if you're new and you're just starting out, let's go over here. We're going to switch to buy-in. Going to do web services. Services search. Now, how I design, I'm going to do another video, but real quick, just going to show you real quick. How I design gigs is based off of my competition. So I find other level 1 sellers, like this one. I don't plagiarize, but I try to figure out what's working, okay? And that's the next point. If you want to be successful on Fiverr, okay, you need to have a clean, professional look with the photo of yourself on your profile. Your gig needs to have clean, beautiful profile photos. Okay, that's 2. 3, your profile needs to be in alignment on what you're trying to sell and has to be designed a certain way with keywords. Okay, and then the 4th thing is knowing your competition. All right. You have to analyze your competition and figure out what's working on the platform, okay? And then those are the 4 keys to making your first $100 on Fiverr. Like I said, this is video 1. I'm probably going to make maybe 3 or 4 other videos about selling on Fiverr and how to make money with Fiverr. If that's something you're interested, comment below, let me know. I'll put something together on how I drive traffic and get leads. Most of the time the leads come through Fiverr, but there's a certain way of how you drive traffic and you utilize keywords and SEO for that. Once again, my name's Shane, and I've been doing this for a while. Leave a comment below. Hope you like this video, and stay tuned for more to come.